We are going to do a quick review, and then I want you to do your 3.1 through 3.3 quiz. This review page is in your 3.3 packet. It's on the third or fourth page. It should look just like this. We're just going to review what all these things mean. So let's start with the ordered pairs. The domain are our x's. So the x's are -1, 0, and 2. The range are our y's, 2, 5, and 7. Is this a function? All I do is look and see, oh gosh, if any of these have repeated, -1, 0, and 2. No repeats. That means yes, this is a function. For a table, my domain are my x's, 3, -2, 0, and 3. My y's are the range, 1, -4, 2, and 6. And if I look right here on my x's, I don't care about the y's, I just care about the x's, the 3's repeated. So that means this is not a function. When I look at a map, pause this as it's going through to write these things down because I'm going kind of fast. When I look at the map, -7, 0, and 3 are my x's. My y's are 1 and 2. Now, as long as there's only one line coming off my x's, the 7, 0, and 3, yes, this is a function. If there had been 2 lines coming off that 7, and there was one going to the 2 and one going to the 1, it looked like that with these 2 lines right here, that would be no. But right now we are happy and it is a function. We have not talked about equations yet, so don't worry about that. We have talked about graphs though. When we look at this, we look and see the farthest places for our x. 1, 2, 3, 4. So -4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Up here and down here, I have -2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1, 2, 3. So, is this a function? Well, if I did my vertical line test with my lightsaber, it touches 2 places a whole lot. So that means that no, this is not a function. Now I need you to take your quiz. When you take your quiz, please feel free to use any and all notes that you have to use. And the quiz should be right after the 3.3 packet in your folder of fun. Okay, bye guys.